So just a quick video to show you how I remove floorboards. There can be a headache if done incorrectly, but with the right tools, as with any job, they're quite easy to remove. So the first thing is you would need a circular saw or something similar, something that allows you to change the depth of the cut. Now the trick is to set it just so it cuts through the groove and no more. If you go crazy and you set this to 2 inches, 3 inches or whatever, there could be a pipe or a wire or something similar underneath there, and when you cut through the groove, you'll cut straight through it. So set that, I mean, it's usually about 1.5 centimeters, about the thickness of the board, obviously. So what you're doing here is set this to the appropriate depth, and then you run it right along the board, one side, right along the board, another side. Now the second tool I use is a multi-tool. I mean, this is, as you know, 1,000 uses, as the name suggests. But I use it here for cutting the board in half. Now you cut along the nail lines because of course that's where the joist is underneath it. So here, as you can see, I've got a wardrobe which I don't want to move. So this would obviously go straight under the wardrobe. So the idea is to lift the boards up just enough so you can get some kind of gap, and then tap around where the nail is, and then pull the nail out, and then move along the floorboards. If you pull too much, you'll end up snapping them in half and all sorts. Typically, when I put floorboards back down, I'll use screws. Just for a more secure fit, really. And one last thing, make sure if you're taking all the floorboards up, you label the floorboards so then you know exactly where they go again, so it's not a headache afterwards. In some instances it's a little bit difficult to cut along the joist. As you can see here, we've got the architrave and the wall, so cutting here was going to be a little bit finicky. So all we've done is we've just cut just slightly inwards, lift the floorboard up. And this is here's one we made earlier. So all we've done is we've brought the joist out a bit, just using a little bit of wood. So then there's a lip for the board to be screwed back down to. Here is an example where setting this to the right depth and a bit of patience has saved me a hell of a lot of work. So if I just move this floorboard, you'll see that directly under my cut line runs 2 pipes. So when you're using the multi-tool, make sure that you just do it bit by bit. Don't push too much, because as in this instance, that would have gone straight through that pipe, and the same on that side. Now I've just marked this, so next time I will do the same on the other board. So should someone else be taking these floorboards up, they will know that there's pipes underneath.